Hi everyone, we're going to expand each expression using the binomial theorem. This one involves square roots, and the way I'm going to do it, I'm going to leave these the same, but on the square root of x's, I'm going to write these as x to the 1/2, because you know that can be written as square root of x. Okay, so we're going to get started. These are a little more difficult, so again we have square root of x plus the square root of 2 to the 6th, and we're going to get started and write it like this. We're going to write 6, 0. We're going to have 7 terms, and I'm going to write x to the 1/2 and square root of 2, and I'm going to fill in my powers here in just a minute. And then we have 6, 1, x to the 1/2 square root of 2 plus 6, 2, x to the 1/2 square root of 2, alright, plus 6, 3, x to the 1/2 square root of 2, plus 6, 4, x to the 1/2 square root of 2, plus 6, 5. I think I'll just move it down here. 6, 5, x to the 1/2 square root of 2, plus 6, 6, x to the 1/2 square root of 2. Now, like in the previous videos, I'm just going to start on my A part. This is my A. This is my B. So for the A part, I start with 6 and go down. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. And then for my B part, I'm going to start with this number and go up. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, you also need to know that this follows the Pascal's triangle, which is going to be 1, 6, 10, 15, 6, and then 1. So this is 1, and you could fill this out. This is 1, 6, 10, 15, 10, 6, and 1. Also, this is 1. Anything to the 0 power is 1. Also, I can simplify this. So when I multiply those, that's going to be x cubed. This is going to be, 5/2. Do you see? You're just multiplying. This will be 2. So when I write all this out, what we're going to get is, we're going to get x cubed plus 6 times square root of 2 x to the 5/2 plus 15 times 2x squared plus 20 square root of 2 times x to the 3/2 plus 15 times 4x plus 6 times 4 square root of 2 times x to the 1/2 plus 8. And when you clean this up, that gives you x cubed plus 6 square root of 2 x to the 5/2 plus 30 x squared plus 40 square root of 2 x to the 3/2 plus 60x plus 24 square root of 2 times x to the 1/2 plus 8. Alright, the next one I'm going to kind of do the same thing. So our problem is the square root of x minus the square root of 3 to the 4th. Now, we'll let my a be x to the 1/2. My b is going to equal negative square root of 3 right there. So you just fill it in like you did before, and we're going 4, which makes it easier. There's only 5 terms. 4, 0, and I'm just going to write x to the 1/2, and then my b, negative square root of 3. Then put your 4, 1, x to the 1/2, negative square root of 3, plus 4, 2, x to the 1/2, negative square root of 3, plus 4, 3, x to the 1/2, negative square root of 3. And the last one is 4, 4, x to the 1/2, and negative square root of 3. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with my 4, and on the a part, go down. 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. And on the b part, I'm going to start with 0 and go up. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, now we already know that for the Pascal's triangle it would be 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. So this is 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. We also know anything to the 0 is 1. And just cross those out. And also I'm going to do like I did before. I'm just going to multiply these two, so that will be x squared. This one's going to be x to the 3/2. And also remember, when you have something like negative square root of 3 squared, that's just going to be 3. Because the negatives, it will cancel out the square roots. So simplifying this, we get x cubed. No, sorry, I'm in the wrong one. We get x squared minus 4 square root of 3 x to the 3/2 plus 6 times 3x minus 4 times 3 square root of 3 to the x to the 1/2 plus 9. And simplifying further, I get x squared minus 4 square root of 3 x to the 3/2 plus 18x minus 12 square root of 3 x to the 1/2 plus 9. And that's all. We're going to do one more set, and that involves no numbers. It's going to be ax minus plus or minus by. Thank you, and have a nice day. Bye-bye.